Hi, my name is Haris Bhatti, and I am a student at Harmony Schools. And this is my project, where I see the fluorescence of tonic water under ultraviolet light, or UV light for short. My materials were two different brands of tonic water, one Canada Dry and the other an HEB brand. I also used two beakers and of course a UV light source. I placed 300 milliliters of Canada Dry brand in one beaker and the same amount for the HEB brand in the other. I then turned off the lights and shined the UV light upon the tonic waters. My result was that both of the brands of tonic water illuminated the same amount of color, which was blue. For my ELA component, I created a narrative essay of my experience of the project. I now provide an excerpt of it. I did not really know what tonic water was, and had never seen or tasted tonic water. Since of this curiosity, I decided to choose this project to experience it and see what would be the reaction under UAV light, and what I saw was pretty cool. I wondered why tonic water illuminated blue under UV light but not under regular lighting. Well, what I found was that other than water, there's also something else inside, known as quinine. Quinine is a molecule, and based on its structure, when it comes in contact with ultraviolet rays, it absorbs the wavelengths, making it appear as a bluish color. But why does this not happen with regular lighting? Well, UV light waves are shorter than regular lighting, making the molecule stand out and fluorescent as a blue color, while staying the same color of water under regular lighting. And even with low amounts of quinine in the water, it is still able to illuminate the whole project. Quinine even has a medical aspect. In olden wars such as the Civil War, quinine was thought to help with cramping of the muscle, and also seen as a pain reliever. In the 17th century, quinine was the first effective treatment for malaria, and remained as a strong drug of choice until the 1940s, when other drugs that were better took its place. But something to know. Just basic quinine is deadly and fatal. That is why only low amounts of quinine is used and then mixed with water to dull the effects. I wanted to experiment more with tonic water, so I sought out materials and tried to see what would happen if I add more water to tonic water. Also, I wanted to see if I heated tonic water or numbed it down, would it change its fluorescence? The result of the first question was that the more water added, the lesser illumination the tonic water had. I then did the next experiment of seeing if heating or cooling tonic water would affect the brightness. We used two beakers with the same amount of tonic water in each. One was heated on top of a hot plate and the other placed in a freezer. What I observed was that tonic water that was placed in the freezer had a higher illumination than the heated. And that was my experience with tonic water. Thank you for watching Harmony Schools.